What I'm going to do here is basically just do a couple things. We're going to set up another audio track here. Let's go ahead and, oh yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. And then we're going to make sure that this is set the correct volume. Yeah, it is. Okay. And then I'm just going to hit record and then just start riffing on my keyboard and try to come up with some cool rhythms. And then when I find one I like, grab it, loop it, and then we're pretty much settled on toms. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Oh, I didn't set up this part yet. So let's go route you to toms. And then we're going to be recording both of these channels. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, that was pretty good. I want to now obviously get rid of these. And then let's just find something that works. Now, what I could do in Ableton 11 is show take lanes, and now I have all of my takes recorded here. And I can go through each one. Now I can raise the volume real quick just so I can hear it with the drums and then lower it after I choose the one I want. I kind of like that. That one's pretty good. I like that one. So perfect. Okay, so let's grab that. Go ahead and split you from the rest of the track here. And hit enter to bring it up here to the main track. Get rid of take lanes here. And then this is the one I want. So now I can just basically go ahead and duplicate you out. Let's take a listen now. works. I like that. We can get rid of you. Oop, didn't want to do that. Let's rename to Tom's. And then right here is hats. Okay, we can go a little lower. Okay, that's pretty good. I think we got a good solid rhythm going as far as the percussion goes. I think that's good for the toms. We can definitely, I think, pretty much figure out that that's the main rhythm of the idea that we're going to go with here. And we can move on to the fills.